Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can generate amazing music videos like these using AI. So let's see how this one looks.
Twilight embrace, where shadows dance in tiny races. Drums are pounding, guitars shredding loud, xylophone chiming in, grandma in the crowd.
Amazing, right? So after watching this video, you'll be able to create different types of videos like this one, where the lyrics, the music, and the visuals are all generated using AI. Also, you can use these kind of visuals for any music you want, or you can also create just the music without the visuals. So let's get started. To create an AI music video, we're going to do 4 steps. The first thing we need for our music video is some music. So the first step is to generate our AI music. We're going to make our own music using an AI tool called Suno.ai. This tool can generate music, speech, and sound effects for free in just a few clicks. So to get started, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this website. Now to make a song, click here. These are some songs which have been already created using AI. Feel free to check them out for some inspiration. As we are looking to create a song on our own, you'll need to make an account to start creating your song. So I'm going to click on sign up and then sign in with my Google account. Let's click on the create button. And here you need to describe how we want the song to be. In my case, I'm going to ask you to create a song about pandas. So I'm going to enter create a song about pandas in rock style and click create. As you can see, it has generated 2 different songs. You can now listen to them by clicking here. You can also see the lyrics here. And from these songs, I'm liking this one. So to download it, just go here and click download audio. And the song will be downloaded to your computer. Okay, so now we have successfully created our AI music. Next, let's see how to create the video and visual for the music. So let's go to step 2, where we create the visuals for this song. To create the visuals, first we need to generate some AI images, which we can animate later. Now to make those visuals come to life, we're going to use an AI tool called Leonardo.ai. It's totally free and super easy to use. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this site. Once you're here, just click on create an account. Now here we need to enter some details. So just pick a username and click next. And we will reach this page where we can create the visuals we need for our music video. To start creating, click on image generation. And here you can describe the visual you want. I'm going to type panda in a rock band setup singing on a stage with neon background. And click generate. And there you go, the first image is ready. Now instead of 1 panda, I'm going to enter 3 pandas. Now click generate. And as you can see, it has generated the image. I'm going to do the same and create few more visuals. Now these visuals are just images. So next, we need to convert these images into a video. To do that, just hover over the image and you'll see an option to generate a motion video. So just click on it. And here we need to set the motion strength. Remember not to go above 7 as it will distort the image. I'm going to set it as 6 and click generate. Now let's click on it. And as you can see, it has done a really great job. So let's download it by clicking here. In the same way, you can turn all the images into motion videos. So let's go to the third step, which is to edit the video. For this, we're going to use an online tool called CapCut. It's a free editing software that's very easy to use. So just click the link in the description and you'll reach this page. But just note, CapCut might not be available on some countries, so you can use VPN to access it. Here, just sign up with your Google account. Then click on Open CapCut. And we are in. This is where we can edit our video. So to make our music video, click on create new video. Now let's pick the aspect ratio for the video. I'm going to select 16:9. Now to make our video, we need to upload our clips and audio. And to do that, just go to project, click upload, and then click from this device. Now just drag and drop the song and all the videos we made earlier. First, let's add our song, drag and drop it here. Next, let's add our videos. and arrange them in the order that you want them to appear in the video. Now for a smooth look, you can also add some transitions between the videos. Click here to see different options and pick the ones you like. Feel free to play around with the different effects too. So let me quickly do that. And once you've added all the transitions and the effects you want, let's play it and see how it looks. The video looks fantastic. Now to download the video, go to Export and click Download. Change the resolution to 1080p and the frame rate to 60. Now click Export and CapCut will start processing your video. Once it's done, just download it and our video will be downloaded to our computer. So let's play this.
Here we go, gonna put on a show. With the beat that'll make you move and groove. The drums are pounding, guitar shredding loud, xylophone shining in. We're rocking the crowd.
Now this looks great, but we need to enhance it further and make it look even better. So let's go to the final step, which is to upscale the video. Now we can do this directly in CapCut. So just go back to the CapCut dashboard and here you will find the Magic Tools option. Just click on it, search for Video Upscaler and open it. Now just drag and drop the video here and click Upscale. And there we go. Our video is ready. And you can see the difference between the original and the upscale video by clicking here. It's looking pretty good. So let's download it. Just go to Export and click Download. Let's play the video.
Here we go, gonna put on a show. With the beat that'll make you move and groove. The drums are pounding, guitar shredding loud, xylophone shining in. We're rocking the crowd.
And look at that. In no time, we just created an amazing music video using AI. The song is catchy and the visuals are stunning. Now it's your turn. Here are some more videos which we have made using this method.
Very happy to let the Very happy to let his face was white as snow. And everywhere that Larry went, Larry went, Larry went. In the hush of twilight's embrace, where shadows dance in tiny races.
Try it out and make your own music video. And don't forget to share it in the comments below. Now, if you want to know other marketing tools that will help you grow your business, you can watch this video. Or if you want to learn how to make a website using AI, you can watch this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Website Learners for more cool videos like this one. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.